Digital cross-border remittances grew from $295 billion in 2021 to a projected $428 billion in 2025. The active user base for digital remittances is forecasted to increase by 66%, reaching 95 million by 2025 from 57 million in 2021. Western Union's consumer money transfer revenue fell 6% to $878 million in Q3 2025, yet it leads the consumer-to-consumer market by revenue. Inbound remittances to Mexico dropped 16.2% year-over-year to $5.2 billion in June 2025, the steepest decline since 2012. The global average cost of sending $200 in remittances rose from 6.4% in 2024 to 6.5% in 2025. The average cost of sending $500 in remittances stayed flat at 4.3% in 2025. In 2025, most domestic wire transfers in the U.S. settle within the same business day if initiated before a bank's cutoff time. International wire transfers typically take 1 to 5 business days in 2025 due to compliance and cross-border complexities. More than 70 countries have adopted real-time payment systems by 2025, narrowing the gap with traditional wire transfers. Global cross-border payments volume is projected to rise from $194.6 trillion in 2024 to $320 trillion by 2032. In December 2015, the Fed Wire Funds Service processed 13,051,874 transfers with an average value of $5.49 million each. Fedwire Fund Service transfers in December 2015 totaled $71.7 trillion in value, up 13.8% from the prior month. Globally, 67% of respondents prefer sending remittances digitally via apps to bank accounts in the 2025 Visa report. 40% of global respondents send remittances digitally from physical locations like banks, per the 2025 Visa study. 79% of organizations experienced payments fraud attacks or attempts in 2024, impacting wire and transfer systems. For Q3 2025, the ACH network, rival to Wires, recorded 8.8 billion payments valued at $23.2 trillion, up 5.2% in volume. ACH network value grew 8.2% year-over-year to $23.2 trillion in Q3 2025. Western Union transactions declined 3% in Q3 2025 for the second straight quarter, but digital revenues rose mid-single digits. In 2025, the share of remittance corridors with average costs above 5% increased for sending both $200 and $500. Fedwire Fund Service saw 20.2% month-over-month growth in transfer volume to 13 million in December 2015. For a longer answer and millions more questions, visit Qeeebo.com today.